When upgrading your home, selecting the right exterior door is more than a visual decision. It's also a key factor in your home's comfort and energy costs. Worcester homeowners often face a wide range of temperatures throughout the year, and an energy-efficient entry door can help lock in warmth during the winter and keep conditioned air inside during the humid summers. If you're planning a new door installation soon, here are the top energy-efficient door options to consider before making your investment. Why energy efficiency matters for Worcester Home's heating and cooling account for a major portion of your home's monthly energy use. If your current door is old, drafty, or poorly insulated, a substantial amount of that heated or cooled air slips outside. This forces your HVAC system to work harder, increasing energy costs. Worcester's seasonality, from snowy winters to warm, muggy summers, makes insulation and weather performance especially valuable. An energy-efficient door improves comfort, regulates indoor temperatures, reduces noise, and boosts overall home value. Most importantly, it helps you save money every month by cutting energy waste. Top energy-efficient door materials. Not all doors perform the same when it comes to energy efficiency. Before installation, take some time to understand how each popular door material stacks up. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors lead the way when it comes to efficiency. They are built with a foam-insulated core that prevents heat loss and thermal transfer far better than older wood or hollow metal doors. They also resist warping, cracking, and weather damage, ideal for Worcester's fluctuating climate. Fiberglass doors can also be crafted to mimic the look of natural wood without the maintenance. Steel doors. Steel doors offer excellent insulation due to their foam core and tight construction. They are also one of the most durable options available and tend to be more affordable than fiberglass. For Worcester homeowners looking for both strength and value, steel doors are a great choice. Just make sure the one you choose has proper thermal breaks so outdoor temperatures won't conduct through the surface. Wood doors. With upgrades, traditional wood doors are beautiful and timeless, but they are not typically as energy efficient as fiberglass or insulated steel. However, high-end insulated wood doors or engineered wood models can still perform well when paired with premium weather stripping and protective finishes. If your heart is set on a wood entry door, choose one that is properly insulated, and consider a storm door to maintain efficiency. Glass options that improve efficiency. If you're interested in a door with decorative glass or sidelights, pay attention to glass performance too. Modern energy-efficient doors can still feature stylish glass without sacrificing insulation. Double or triple pane glass. Multiple panes trap air or argon gas inside, helping prevent heat transfer. Low E coatings. Reflect infrared light to keep your interior comfortable year-round. Warm edge spacers. Reduce condensation and improve window edge insulation. These glass technologies ensure style doesn't come at the expense of performance. Other efficiency features to look for. Aside from material type, a truly efficient door installation depends on a few additional details that are easy to overlook. Proper weather stripping. Blocks drafts around the frame. Tight-fitting frame. Stops heat from escaping at the threshold. Well-installed threshold and sweep. Keeps cold air and moisture from seeping under the door. Energy Star certification. A simple way to verify energy performance ratings for the Worcester climate zone. Importance of professional installation. Even the most efficient door can underperform if installed incorrectly. A professional door installer ensures the frame is level, sealed, and insulated. They also verify that the door fits snugly and operates smoothly, which helps prevent long-term heat loss through tiny gaps. Make your home more comfortable year-round. Before installing a new door in Worcester, consider fiberglass, steel, or insulated wood options to boost your home's efficiency and comfort. When paired with the right glass, hardware, and professional installation, these energy-efficient doors can dramatically reduce energy costs and increase long-term durability. By making a smart choice today, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, sustainable home throughout every New England season.